February 2026. Social Security payments are hitting bank accounts right now. But if you're an immigrant in the United States, there's something critical you need to understand about your eligibility. Stay with me. Here's why this matters so much. Right now, millions of Americans receive their Social Security payments this February. We're talking about SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, and SSI, Supplemental Security Income. But here's what many people don't realize. Your immigration status directly affects whether you qualify for these benefits. The Social Security Administration, the SSA, works closely with the Department of Homeland Security. That means your immigration records and your benefit applications are connected. If you're a green card holder, a visa holder, an asylum seeker, or even a naturalized citizen, this information could save you from major problems. Let's break it all down. First, let's understand the basics. There are two main Social Security programs that help people who cannot work. Number one, SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance. This is for people who have worked and paid Social Security taxes, have enough work credits, have a qualifying disability. Your immigration status matters less here if you worked legally and paid into the system. Number two, SSI, Supplemental Security Income. This is different. SSI is for people who are disabled, blind, or over 65, have very limited income and resources, meet strict citizenship or immigration requirements. Here's the key difference. SSDI is based on your work history. SSI is a needs-based benefit with strict eligibility rules. For immigrants, SSI is where it gets complicated. Under current rules, to qualify for SSI, you generally must be a U.S. citizen or a qualified alien in specific categories. Not every immigrant qualifies, and this is where mistakes happen. Now let's talk about who is affected based on immigration status. Green card holders, lawful permanent residents. If you have a green card, you may qualify for SSI, but there are conditions. You generally need 40 qualifying work credits, or you may qualify if you're a veteran or a refugee or meet other exceptions. The first 5 years after getting your green card, you may not qualify for SSI. This is called the 5-year bar. Many green card holders don't know about this. Visa holders. If you're on a work visa like H-1B, L-1, or 0-1, you likely do not qualify for SSI. But if you've worked and paid Social Security taxes, you may qualify for SSDI in the future. Your work credits may count toward future benefits. Students, F-1 visa. If you're an international student, you generally do not qualify for SSI or SSDI. You have limited work authorization. Social Security benefits are usually not available to you. Asylum seekers and refugees, this is important. Refugees may qualify for SSI immediately upon arrival, may qualify after asylum is granted, but there are time limits, typically 7 years of eligibility. After 7 years, you must become a citizen or have 40 work credits. Undocumented immigrants. Let me be very clear. Undocumented immigrants do not qualify for SSI or SSDI. Applying with false information is a federal crime. This can lead to deportation and permanent bars from the U.S. naturalized citizens. If you have become a U.S. citizen through naturalization, you have the same rights as any citizen. You can qualify for both SSI and SSDI. Your previous work credits still count. Now here's where I need you to pay close attention. These are the risks. Risk number one, application delays. If your immigration status is unclear or your documents don't match, your application can be delayed for months, sometimes years. The SSA will verify your status with DHS. If there's any discrepancy, your case goes into review. Risk number two, denial of benefits. Many people apply for SSI without understanding the eligibility rules. If you don't meet the immigration requirements, your application will be denied. And here's the problem. A denial goes on your record. Risk number three, public charge concerns. This is huge for immigrants. If you receive certain government benefits, it could affect future immigration applications like green card renewals or citizenship applications. The public charge rule has changed multiple times. Currently, SSI can be considered in public charge determinations. SSDI generally is not. This means if you're trying to get a green card or sponsor a family, member receiving SSI could be a problem. Risk number 4, fraud and deportation. If someone applies for benefits using false information, wrong social security number, fake documents, or claiming citizenship when they're not, this is federal fraud. The consequences include criminal charges, repayment of benefits, deportation, permanent ban from the United States. This is not worth the risk ever. So, what should you do? Here are your action steps. Step 1. Know your status. Before applying for any benefit, understand your exact immigration status. Are you a citizen, green card holder, visa holder, asylum, or refugee? Get copies of your immigration documents. Know your A number if you have one. Step 2. Check your work credits. Go to ssa.gov and create a My Social Security account. You can see how many work credits you have, your estimated future benefits, your earnings history. You need 40 credits for most SSDI benefits. That's about 10 years of work. Step 3. Understand SSI eligibility. If you're applying for SSI, verify that you meet the immigration requirements. The SSA website has a list of qualified alien categories. Don't assume you qualify. Verify first. Step 4. Gather your documents. You'll need Social Security card, immigration documents, green card, visa, I-94, EAD, birth certificate, or passport medical records if applying for disability proof of income and resources. Step 5. Consider public charge implications. If you're planning to apply for a green card, citizenship, or sponsor family members, talk to an immigration attorney before applying for SSI. One wrong move could affect your entire immigration future. Step 6. Get professional help. Don't do this alone. Consider immigration attorneys for status questions. Social Security attorney, you need 40 credits for most SSDI benefits. That's about 10 years of work. Step 3. Understand SSI eligibility. If you're applying for SSI, verify that you meet the immigration requirements. The SSA website has a list of qualified alien categories. Don't assume you qualify. Verify first. Step 4. Gather your documents. You'll need Social Security card, immigration documents, green card, visa, I-94, EAD, birth certificate, or passport medical records if applying for disability proof of income and resources. Step 5. Consider public charge implications. If you're planning to apply for a green card, citizenship, or sponsor family members, talk to an immigration attorney before applying for SSI. One wrong move could affect your entire immigration future. Step 6. Get professional help. Don't do this alone. Consider immigration attorneys for status questions, Social Security attorney for disability claims, nonprofit legal aid organizations. Many offer free consultations. Let me share a story that shows why this matters. Maria came to the United States as a refugee from Central America. She worked hard, paid her taxes, and eventually got her green card. After 15 years in America, Maria became disabled. She couldn't work anymore. She heard about SSI and thought she would qualify. But Maria didn't know about the rules because she had her green card for more than 5 years. She was eligible for SSI based on her immigration status, but she also had to meet the income and resource limits. Maria owned a small property back in her home country. She didn't think it mattered. She didn't report it. Her SSI application was approved at first, but later the SSA discovered the property. They said Maria had received benefits she shouldn't have received. She had to pay back thousands of dollars. Her case was flagged. When she applied for citizenship, her application was delayed because of the overpayment issue. It took Maria 3 extra years to become a citizen, and she had to repay money she had already spent. Maria's mistake was simple. She didn't get the right advice before applying. Now, compare this to Roberto. Roberto was also a green card holder. He worked for 12 years paying Social Security taxes. When he became disabled, he applied for SSDI, not SSI. Because Roberto had enough work credits, His SSDI application was approved. SSDI doesn't have the same immigration restrictions, and SSDI is not considered for public charge. Roberto got his benefits. 2 years later, he became a U.S. citizen with no problems. The difference? Roberto understood which program was right for his situation. Number 1. February 2025 payments are going out now. Check your bank account if you're receiving SSDI or SSI. Number 2. Your immigration status directly affects your eligibility, especially for SSI. Number 3. Green card holders face a 5-year bar and other requirements. Don't assume you qualify. Number 4. Refugees and asylees have special eligibility, but with time limits. Number 5. SSI can affect public charge determinations. If you're planning future immigration applications, be careful. Number 6. SSDI is based on work history and has fewer immigration restrictions. Number 7. Never provide false information. Fraud leads to serious consequences, including deportation. Number 8. Get professional help. Immigration attorneys and Social Security experts can protect you. Knowledge is your best protection. Understanding these rules can save you years of problems. If this video helped you understand how Social Security and immigration status work together, hit that subscribe button right now. I create videos every week breaking down complex government programs into simple steps. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest question about SSI or SSDI. Are you a green card holder worried about public charge? What topic should I cover next? Share this video with someone who needs this information. It could save them from a huge mistake. And remember, your status matters. Your future matters. Get the right information before you apply for